Welcome to another episode of Learn and Speak Tamil Like a Native. This is video number 202. You might find the thumbnail of this video a little different from our usual type. So this is going to be a different type of video. It is more of training you with grammar aspects so you can instantly say what you wish to say without getting stuck. So with regular watching and listening to different videos, you can learn a lot of vocabularies, or sometimes you can even substitute a Tamil word with an English word. But if you're going to tell the grammar wrong, that can lead to confusion, and even you may not feel confident while speaking. Therefore, I'm introducing yet another type of sub videos, which is nothing but very simple grammar drill, and telling you the subtle differences in meaning for you to get a better grasp of the language quickly. We shall call these videos crispy drill. For those of you new to this channel, there are assorted lessons already, 200 in number, for you to learn Tamil and speak fluently like a native. You can click on here in the logo down right here to access all the videos, or you'll find the information also in the description. எனக்கு அவனை பிடிச்சிருக்கு. I like him. And எனக்கு அவனை பிடிக்குது. I like him. You can use them both interchangeably. It is just a stylistic variant or different style of phrasing. எனக்கு அவனை பிடிக்குது can be compared to I'm liking him. And எனக்கு அவனை பிடிச்சிருக்கு is I like him. There is no much difference. The difference is only subtle. எனக்கு அவனை பிடிக்குது, எனக்கு அவனை பிடிச்சிருக்கு. Both are fine. எனக்கு அவனை பிடிக்கல, I don't like him, or I'm not liking him, to be more specific. So this is more specific. If someone says to you, just try this food, and if you after eating it say, எனக்கு இது பிடிக்கல, which means I'm not liking this. You can also say, I don't like this, but it can mean a general statement. You don't like that food. But when you say, எனக்கு அவனை பிடிக்கல, you are specific. I'm not liking him. Imagine you're in the interview committee, and there comes a young guy for interview, and after he leaves, you might discuss within your colleagues and tell your opinion. I'm not liking him. எனக்கு அவனை பிடிக்கல. But if you like him, you might say எனக்கு அவனை பிடிக்குது, or எனக்கு அவனை பிடிச்சிருக்கு. அவனுக்கு என்ன பிடிக்குது, he is liking me, and அவனுக்கு என்ன பிடிச்சிருக்கு means just the same almost. I'm being liked by him. As I said, the difference is too subtle or negligible, and people use it depending on what comes to their mind at that particular time with a flow of mood and tone. அவனுக்கு என்ன பிடிக்கல, you can guess. He doesn't like me, or more accurately, he is not liking me. We don't use such a phrase in English, he is not liking me, but I hope it aids in your understanding of what the Tamil phrase conveys. எங்க ரெண்டு பேருக்குமே ஒருத்தர் பிடிச்சிருக்கு. We both like each other, or we both get to like each other. ஒருத்தருக்கு ஒருத்தர் means each other, followed by, you can say பிடிக்குது, but பிடிச்சிருக்கு is widely used, or as I said, it depends on the situation and flow. எங்க ரெண்டு பேருக்குமே ஒருத்தர் பிடிக்கல. We do not like each other, or it can even be we did not like each other. I'm asking for your super attention here. Please listen. Pudikila can be used for both present and past tense. It can mean we did not like each other or we do not like each other. So refreshing from your earlier lessons. To learn about negative phrases, you can check the link here on top right. எனக்கு அவனை பிடிக்கும். It is a general statement. You like him, generally. I like my dad. It is a general, not specific to now. எனக்கு அவனை பிடிக்கும். I like him. Let us go back to the interview scenario. Can you say this? எனக்கு அவனை பிடிக்கும். No, unless you know him for a long time. எனக்கு அவனை பிடிக்காது. I don't like him, which means you generally don't like him. Now go back to the interview. Can you use this? No, you cannot unless you know him well, the person, for a long time. I don't like him. எனக்கு அவனை பிடிக்காது. This is more of a general statement. If you want to say that in the interview, you'd say எனக்கு அவனை பிடிக்கல. I hope you understood the difference between pudikala and pudikadu. Pudikkidu, pudichirukku, pudikkum. That is all for now. I'll keep making these crispy potato chips like videos often so that all your small little doubts and confusion will slowly go away. And this is where Instagram comes to help you. It will be full of all these small little details that again and again enforces the right type of phrasing in your brain. I was a bit sick, or rather very sick, and I couldn't do the Instagram, and I'll resume doing it so you can continue to learn. The Instagram channel is Learn Speak Tamil. All the best with the Tamil learning. Bye bye. Vanakkam.